Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today we are going to talk about the ZIIP Halo Microcurrent device. For those of you brand new to my channel, I am a 52-year-old master and medical esthetician passionate about all things skincare and beauty. I have a special interest in facial rejuvenation and anti-aging, and I bring as much information and honest reviews to my channel as possible. So today I'm going to break down the ZIIP Halo device and how it's a little different than many of the microcurrent devices on the market. I'm also going to show you me using it and how it gives not only instant lift, but long-term benefits. If that sounds intriguing, keep on watching. So although lift is one of the hallmark benefits of microcurrent, there are a bunch of other benefits, including collagen building, increased cellular activity in the skin, lymphatic draining, lifting droopy eyebrows, which is a wonderful benefit. It helps reduce puffiness. And again, the most studied and often the most desired benefit of microcurrent is the lift. Now you get instant lift with microcurrent, but also long-term benefits. So one of the things I was immediately struck with when I received this device was the packaging. It comes beautifully packaged with a really nice instruction manual, but the device itself is a high quality, really ergonomically designed device that has a really good hand feel. I think it's beautiful, probably my favorite microcurrent device as far as how it looks aesthetically and how it feels in the hand. Now this is a little bit different than a lot of the microcurrent devices on the market in that it uses varying wavelengths of both nanocurrent and microcurrent. So many microcurrent devices now are a combination of a more aggressive EGF and microcurrent, and those still give you results, but I really like the thoughtfulness in the nanocurrent and microcurrent in the different frequencies and wavelengths that they provide. So I found that the ZIIP Halo charged up quickly and held a charge for a good long time. In fact, I traveled to Wisconsin with it for a week, used it every day, and did not have any kind of issue with performance. In fact, it's still running off that first charge. Now, with other microcurrent devices, I have seen improved results immediately and long term. Really, you get almost an immediate lifting effect with microcurrent. It does affect the muscles, kind of like a little muscle stimulation. And this is how you get that immediate lifted result. If you're like me and over 50, this is such a wonderful benefit. However, I think the long-term collagen building is really the name of the game. Microcurrent has been in my skincare arsenal. I have at least a dozen different devices that I've tested over the years, and it will remain in my skincare arsenal. It is something that works and is effective. A couple questions that I get often, and it's something that is important, is that can you do microcurrent if you do Botox, fillers, and other treatments? And the answer is absolutely yes. It is recommended that you wait 10 days after a Botox treatment or any kind of laser treatment before using the ZIIP Halo device or any microcurrent for that matter. However, it does not negatively affect your treatments. So if you're using a more aggressive EGF, that could potentially shorten the duration of your Botox. I personally have been using microcurrent for years and don't find any kind of issue with using microcurrent with my Botox. So this device can be used more freestyle without use of an app, but you can sync up to the ZIIP app. So if that's something that you enjoy, that more technological aspect, that's available to you. I personally like just to freestyle this. I've been using microcurrent for so long that I have my routine kind of set in stone, and I almost never vary that routine. Something I notice more with the ZIIP Halo than I have with any other microcurrent device is the lift in the eyebrows. Now, when you're watching these videos of me, I'm doing the side-by-side screen here, please let me know if you notice that as well. I can feel a definite lift, and you get that kind of lifting sensation as you're using the device. As I approach my hairline with the ZIIP Halo, you almost feel kind of like an electrical tingle towards the back of your spine. And when you get closer to your teeth, you can feel a little more of a tingly sensation toward the teeth. Otherwise, it's not painful at all. It's not a strong zapping like some of these microcurrent / EGF devices. It's very gentle, but super effective. I have to say with 100% honesty, to date, I would say the ZIIP Halo is the best microcurrent device I've ever used. I've used many, at least a dozen, some, maybe even more that I've thrown away that just came in and they were completely just EGF, which was far too aggressive, and I didn't want to use it with Botox. But this one is not only safe with Botox, fillers, and other treatments, but it is effective, it's not painful, and you don't get that zapping feeling that you get with some devices that are a little bit intense on the EGF side. I do have to say that the conductivity gel that they provide is unique. It's a little bit more of a luxurious feeling gel. It's almost got a nourishing luxury feel to it. If you've used the ZIIP Halo gel, let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. It is different than any other conductivity gel I've ever used. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, you guys, I'm not paid to say these things. I'm giving you a 100% honest review. I'm really excited about this device and the potential that it has. For $349, it is a super good device. ZIIP Beauty was so kind to offer me a 10% discount code, and that is Stacy10. That comes out to about $35 off the ZIIP Halo device. I think it's a fantastic value. For those of you looking to treat yourself, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Zero downtime, effective immediately with long-term collagen building, and no pain or discomfort. This is something that you can do regularly without having to have any downtime at all. I would go so far as to say that the ZIIP Halo is probably my favorite device of 2023. If this device is currently on your wish list, definitely bump it up toward the top. If you guys have any questions about my experience with the ZIIP Halo device, don't be afraid to ask in the comments below. And if you've used the ZIIP Halo, let us know in the comments what your thoughts are. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that, and thank you so much for spending a piece of your day with me. I will see you all in my next video. Be good to yourselves and to others.